Hey guys, it's me, Ursula. In today's video, I want to share some healthy snack ideas using my favorite friend. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe and comment. We want to make the community bigger. This is a little family here. So I'm going to take you through the different butters and the different type of snacks we can make with them. Here we have the sesame tahini. It's just pure sesame seeds. That's it. For a super easy snack idea is you take 1 part tahini paste, 2 or 3 parts water. You mix it together, add a bit of Himalayan salt. If you want to, you can add lemon to make it even nicer. I just didn't have any lemon. And then you have a tahini dressing dip. As Gwyneth Paltrow says in her new book, it's a tahini everything. So I like to just chop up a few peppers and then you can dip it in your yummy sauce. Cashew nut butter. So this is a fun little treat and you can do it with kids. Ants on a bark. Ants on a bark. Take some celery, put some cashew nut butter in. And top off with raisins or goji berries. Red ants on a bark. So if you wanted to know how to get your kids to eat celery, ants on a bark. Almond butter. You can make delicious almond milk out of almond butter. I'll put a link below of the almond milk video I did previously and where I show you how to make almond milk out of almond butter. Easy. Got the macadamia nut butter. I have tried cheaper brands and find that they don't taste as good. This one still has like the chunky macadamias you can taste and it's sweet and yummy. I like making chia seed pudding. Let it soak up to over a night, ideally over the night, and then I top it off with the macadamia nut butter. It's like the treat. So there we have very easy ways that you can use nut butters for healthy, nutritious snacks. They say it's like a staple in a vegan person's kitchen, but personally I'm not a vegan and this is a staple in my kitchen. This is taking healthy snacking to a whole different level. Try it out, let me know what works for you. Please subscribe to get more of this type of content. Bye! Bye!